Hi, I'm Don Mecoy. I'm a business news reporter with the Oklahoman. I'm joined today by Bob Rader. Bob's a senior vice president at Capital West Securities here in Oklahoma City, and Bob's come in to talk to us about the market today. Thanks for coming in today, Bob.
Thank you, Don, for asking me.
Appreciate you being here. Well, the Dow lost about 400 points today. It's the worst day we've had in 15 months or so in the stock market.
That's correct.
What the heck happened?
Well, it was kind of a sequence of events that started early this morning. The first thing was the jobless rate came out, and it was expected to be down 5%. It ended up being down 5.5%, which is the biggest loss since 1986. That was the beginning. So the market got soft. Then during the day, there were rumors floating out of Washington that Iran and Israel were rattling swords at each other, which started the oil market and energy markets going up, of which natural gas oil ended up almost $11 today, and natural gas was up. So that set off a sequence of events. Then as the day moved on, there were traders who were saying, well, wait a minute, if there's something that could happen internationally over the weekend, we don't think we want to go into the market long the stocks, so therefore they sold and it settled down.
Yeah, when we talk about going long, that means you're holding your position, you want to sell out of that position if you don't want to be long.
That's correct. In other words, the professional traders did not want to go home owning a bunch of stocks, thinking, something could happen over the weekend and be a surprise. Therefore, it really hurt the market today.
Well, and these oil numbers you're talking about, where the oil's up $11 a barrel, the 0.5% gain in unemployment, it's not surprising that the numbers were up. It was how much they were up that was the big surprise.
Absolutely, because what is happening is when you look at that 5.5%, that means people are starting to lay off people. The airlines are having a tough time. Of course, people filling up their cars know this every day. Food costs are going up. So the economy right now is having kind of a tough time.
Well, and it seemed like the economy and the markets had sort of been settling down a little bit, but now it feels like maybe that strong volatility that we'd seen earlier this year, maybe it was just slumbering. Is that your sense?
I think so. And then a lot of times in the summertime, the markets tend to get soft. And I think there are investors out there, and I know with our company, there are investors out there who have more or less taken a wait and see, because they would rather pay a little bit more and see the numbers turn and not get in too early.
Right. Okay. Well, I think all 30 parts of the Dow today were down. But I was looking at some Oklahoma stocks, and I noticed Continental Resources was up 7% today, set a new all-time high. Chesapeake was up. Sandridge Energy was up. Panhandle Oil and Gas was up. Are we sort of insulated from some of these because we're here in Oklahoma with a strong energy base?
We absolutely are insulated. Sure, there's going to be some people that live here, they're going to have some problems, but our Oklahoma economy is absolutely doing great. In fact, Don, I've been in business here a long time, and in my personal opinion, it's the best economy we've ever had. And you talk about our energy stocks, big demand. And if the prices are going up the way they are, it's just going to allow these companies to make more profits. We're real blessed for one thing. We've got good management teams that did not get caught up in all the big borrowing and the things that we did back in the previous oil boom, and they are playing this thing right.
Okay, well, thanks for coming in and sharing your expertise today, Bob, even with the sore throat. We appreciate you coming down. If you want to see more, obviously you can look at News OK in the business section and check out tomorrow's copy of the Oklahoman. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Don.